their souls dismembered. I can see their haunting eyes screaming to the world about the evil they despise. I cry with tears collected from their cries, their silent fears, oppression and lies. I can hear with my super hearing the silence back there. I heard to catch a single whisper, a deafening chill from the suppressed memories and fear. I can hear their silent screams, the things they cannot say, their oppressed voices and cries for help. I hear a gullible world, misunderstanding the truth, struggles and cries. I can fly with my unclipped wings, for there is less gravity here, as my people have endured countless tragedies. I grew up with their blood in my veins, but with lightness and hope, instead of darkness and despair, around the sand and smoke. Light years away from the suffocating hope, a whole nation's wings are blinded. A nation who don't remember the language they used to speak, remember the history the oppressors won't teach. Remember they can live without meekness, and remember that change is not weakness. Remember to live happily, Jew, and remember that people had wings to fly too. And I will fly, there is no weight pushing me down, no hand holding my head, helping me drown, no eyes waiting for me to frown, to pounce on any hint of sound. I wear my own crown, wishing one day my nation will be our own masters, instead of their forever smiling clowns. But you see, I was born here, raised here, it's all I've ever known, but there's a distant voice calling me home. I have these strengths, these powers that show the truth of my land and of my home. I'm Superman and I will save my home. I also have prepared a short story my sister wrote that was edited by me.